friends, this is LG-213 which we have brought today. It's a superb tailor lamp with a tail stop and an indicator function. This is the red and this is the amber lens. It is mounted on black powder coated strong sheet metal frame. Amber has 2 wires and the red has 3 wires for tail and stop. Available in 12 volts and 24 volts. It has 3 capsule holes on the top, here and here. So you can mount this product onto the trailer through this side, or from the upper side you can mount it on the frame. Available as left and right. You can also combine this lamp and you can also make a continuous lamp from these. The part number is LG-213. We'll make this lamp glow now. See, these are the 2 functions which are glowing. LG-213 from the house of Bajato under the brand light green. So we are coming up with the new products in our range every week. Stay tuned to the channel, like, subscribe, keep watching. Thank you very much. Bye bye.